Hey everyone, we're Magalia. I don't really know what I feel now because I will paint. I have uh, what's the oil color paint here that I bought 1 or more years ago and I never opened it. I will try. This is the brand. If in the end it will look good, so I just found it on Amazon. It was not expensive. I don't remember because it was a long time ago. And I was not painting for 2 years. 2 years. I'm just looking at my previous painting, that was the last one. And before this one, I was also painting 2 years more ago when I was studying in art school. So, of course, I draw in my art book, in my tea book. When I drink tea, I like to make association with that taste, so I draw an image. If you like, I will make a video about my tea book. But this time, again, I was not planning to draw something, it's just in the present moment. I just take a pencil, I make a first line, and it just appears something on my blank canvas. So this is what I have now. A lot of happening, but in the end I realized that this painting is saying that I need to be surrounded by things that are important for me. It's about authenticity and support, knowing that everything I do, I'm supported. Every fail, every mistake, every choice was made by me, but I'm supported anyway. I just need to ask for help, but I'm not doing this because I think I can do everything. I am this. I don't need people around me. But this is not always the truth. It's not working for me. I need support. And I think this painting will hang somewhere by my altar and inspire me. I always prefer to draw just with a pen or a pencil, black and white. Colors, I love colors so much, but I don't know why I don't paint. And I like when the surface is like earth. There is a lot of layers, so that's why I chose oil painting or oil paint. So I will just put music on the background and start to paint, and I hope it won't take long because I don't like to paint for a long time, because if I will not finish it today, I will not finish it tomorrow. This is how my art process is going. I will see you in the end of this video. But now, support me, give me a like, and let's start. Sorry, I just I don't want to ruin everything, but it's so healing. Art can heal. And I now understand why oil painting is it's different. It's very thick. You know, I'm in love. And I forgot to mention that I have 8 canvases. They just came yesterday. So I'm so happy. Okay, let's do it beautifully again. So I finished. And to be honest, I don't know how I feel. I love it so much. I don't know. I don't know. I have a hysteric now because I don't know what to say. You know what? I know what I feel. I feel nothing. I feel relaxation. I feel emptiness. I think this is what I needed all this time because my mind was full of things I worry a lot. I worry a lot. Yes, I realize that now. I think about nothing. Just empty. I'm empty. Like I gave everything to this painting. I got it. I understand now. I understand now. That's me. That's me, and painting helped me to empty myself. Look at the details. I was painting 5 hours. There is a magpie, Hecate, rooms. That crazy guy. I love him so much. He's such a fool. That's me. And I think sometimes he's just falling down. Where is that emotional state where I sometimes fall as a fool? Fall as a fool. I don't know what you expected from me, but this is what I feel, and anytime. I have a lot of canvases left, so I think I will continue. You know, I like this atmosphere, darkness. Let me know if you want me to make painting videos. Maybe for someone it will be inspiring. Thank you for watching, support me, leave some comments, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.